Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. And today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why your brake is rattling when you just replace your brake pads. First, use a C-clamp. Compress the piston. This will make it easier to remove the caliper. Next, take a wrench and break the bolt loose. You can use power tools to speed things up. Once the bolts are removed and the caliper is removed, now you can inspect the brake system. The first common reason why your brake pads are rattling is because maybe the shim came out of place. If this shim came out of place, this can definitely cause a rattling noise. The next common reason why your brakes are rattling is because maybe the brake pad wasn't installed properly. For example, if you have it installed like this, at an angle like this can definitely cause looseness, and it can definitely cause the brake pad to rattle. Some brake pads will have a clip that help spread the brake pads out like this, slightly like this. And if that clip is missing over here and here, this can definitely cause the brake pad to rattle again. The next reason why you're still hearing that rattling noise is because maybe the brake hardware was improperly installed. So you want to remove the brake pad on both sides and make sure the brake hardware is installed properly. You want to make sure that it is not loose, and make sure this part over here is not rubbing against the rotors. So again, if the brake hardware is loose, kind of like this, it can definitely cause that rattling noise. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.